Hello and welcome to English Bytes. In this video, we are discussing the word jubilant. Jubilant has 3 syllables. In British and American English, we pronounce it as jubilant, jubilant, jubilant. Jubilant means feeling extremely happy and excited, like when something really good or joyful happens. For example, winning a game or getting a surprise. The example sentences are: Number 1. Sophia felt jubilant after winning the race. Number 2. The party was filled with jubilant laughter. Synonyms of jubilant are happy, joyful, excited. The antonyms are unhappy, sad, depressed. Jubilant is an adjective. Common preposition used with the word jubilant is with, and the other prepositions are after and about. Thanks for watching.